Comment below if Kendrick or Drake won the beef. Now I'm playing. In today's video, we're going to talk about removing collections and inquiries. And we're going to be using one of my clients as an example. If y'all didn't know, we have a service as well. And, we're just going to get into it. A lot of what we teach is helping y'all empower yourselves to do it yourself. And as y'all can see from all my student results, obviously, with them getting their results, we know how to do what we're doing. But just wanted to come on here, show y'all, one of our clients, just so y'all know we do what we say we do. So as you can see on the screen, it's pretty much thousands of dollars of collections deleted. And this was for one of our clients that we just got the results May 6th, as you can see right there. So you see the top Equifax right here, a lot of deletions over there, Experience some deletions over there as well. TransUnion, decent amount of deletions as well. So these are all collections and inquiries. We're going to get into how to actually remove them. I just wanted to make this video pretty simple because I know some of y'all out there may be struggling with collections. And I realize that, I've been doing this since 2021. I know some of y'all are just coming into like knowing the consumer laws and things like that. So it might seem difficult to you, but it's really not that deep like that. You just got to be consistent and persistent. So as y'all can see, more inquiries. But if we just go to the collections, if you look at the balances, I added them up before the video. Each of them, if we just go by one bureau, it came out to like just under $7,000. So removing all of them on all three bureaus, we're gonna pretty much remove like over $20,000 worth of debt for the client. We are a luxury service. This particular client, this was for a $2,500 contract. So just keep in mind if you're looking to hire an expert to help you with it that knows about these consumer laws and gets results, just keep in mind that it is going to be an investment. We do have payment plans, but yeah, just keep that in mind if you're looking for that. But that's the reason why we got. If you look at my channel, we got over 2,000 videos. So I don't want to hear no excuses of, oh, why do you charge what you charge and all that. We charge what we charge because we've shown y'all how to do it for free. If you don't know how to follow instructions and do it yourself for free, you can't have your cake and eat it too. You're gonna have to pay money or you're gonna have to pay time and learn how to actually do it yourself. So with that being said, so we saw that her point increases. She was in like I think she started in like 580s. So we got her to 668. Equifax 656 and at 656 here. So 660s. Basically, we got a few negative items left for her. And then it's on to the funding. If you didn't know, if you're a credit repair business owner, maybe you're struggling in your business right now, maybe you're making anywhere from $5,000 to $20,000 a month, like you're just stuck, or maybe you're making less, right? We have our mentorship program where we teach people how to scale their business. The beautiful thing about all of this that I'm showing y'all is that everything was automated. It was literally all automated because I have the systems in place to be able to get things done. I have my dispute department. I have my sales department, right? I have my marketing department. So what does my dispute department do? My dispute department, they perform the service, right? So all these deletions that happen, they followed our SOP. And I give my students the SOP that they follow essentially, right? This is just business talk. If you're a credit repair business owner, if you're just like a regular consumer, you're just looking to delete collections and inquiries, or I'm going to get into strategy in a little bit. But I just want to let y'all know, those of y'all that are bosses, I know 99% of y'all that's going to be watching this, you're not a boss. You're not willing to make an investment in yourself. You're just like you just have like that 9 to 5 cheap mentality. And you're just watching, the free content, which is cool. I appreciate that. Hopefully you take action. But those of y'all that are bosses, the 1%, this is what I'm telling y'all. Like everything was automated because I automated our credit repair business and basically put my people in position to where they're able to do it. So my dispute department performing the services in terms of how the client even became a client. They were just like you watching our YouTube, and how did we get to create our YouTube the way that we created it? My marketing department edits the videos, right? So it's a whole machine. I need my marketing team, my marketing department. I need my sales department to close the deals because I don't have time to be on calls all day, right? And then I need my dispute department to go ahead and fulfill the service. So this is essentially how you automate a credit repair business and go ahead change lives, make that money, help your family situation. But a lot of y'all wouldn't know about that because y'all, a majority of y'all are selfish. But anyways, let's get into it. So collections. So it's pretty simple. For collections, you're gonna want to send a debt validation directly to the creditor. So one law you can use is FDCPA 15 USC 1692 G. You could use the CFR law, to be honest, but credit is one of those things where multiple things work, right? So you just got to go based off of your situation. I'm just telling y'all how we did it based off of this particular client's situation. As you can see, the date, May 7th, 2024. One thing you want to be wary of, if you are hiring a credit company to go ahead and help your situation, do they have recent results, right? Do they have recent results? When I first started in 2021, I felt the need, like I had to prove myself because, I was new in the industry. So that's when I was, posting results consistently, posting clients and all that consistently. If you follow me on IG, I have a mentorship program. I'm posting my students winning like all the time, like damn near every day. So I don't have anything to prove when it comes to my company's ability to fix credit, right? So just wanted to come on here just as like a refresher, just kind of show y'all, what it is, because I know we're gonna have some new subscribers, new viewers. So it's just good every now and then to do a refresher. But yeah, like I said, we have a luxury service. I know majority of y'all are cheap. So, y'all won't really relate as far as being able to invest with us. But if you're that 1% person I'm talking to that's not cheap, you know, you can go ahead and book and see if we can work with you. And to be honest, we really work with like people that are looking for business funding, so small business owners. If you work like a regular 9 to 5 job, you could be a nurse or something like that. Um, that'll work too. But we're looking really for people to have items like these, like collections, inquiries, maybe a charge off. Charge off is cool, but if you got stuff like bankruptcies and all of that, I'm not saying that it's not gonna get taken off. I have a student that literally sued for bankruptcy, got paid $1,000 check. So it's possible and all that, but for the sake of how our business flows, we're looking for people with a few negative items. So if you're that small business owner, you're looking to go get that business funding, maybe you have one or two, three negative items that's holding you back, you can go ahead and book a call in the description and then we'll go ahead and help you. If you someone with that 400, 500 credit score, right? And you got all these negative items, you just like the average consumer, you're not even looking to get any type of funding, do not book a call. We don't do business with you. So just being fully transparent, we do business with business owners only. If you book a call, you got like 20, 30 negative items. We will not do business with you. Your credit is too messed up. Watch my YouTube videos, learn how to do it yourself. So yeah, keep that in mind. I gotta say that because y'all gotta realize like y'all won't know, but from my perspective, from my team's perspective, these YouTube videos, anyone can watch it. We get a lot of weird, like poor mindset people that think they just gonna spend $100. That just think that they could bring their 300 credit score to us. So it's just crazy. So just keep in mind, like, look at your situation and then think, like, okay, should I even apply to be around this type of excellence? You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. Hard inquiries. So for Experian, you can literally just make a phone call. You can go look at some of my other videos. I broke down how to actually go ahead and get those deleted. And then for TransUnion and Equifax, you can literally send an FTC report with the Consumer Law 15 USC 1681C-2. So that law will go ahead and help you get those hard inquiries removed. If you don't know, you got to remember that hard inquiries, when they're not tied to an open account, it can get deleted. So if you just rewatch some of my older videos, a lot of this should be refresher, but I understand that some of y'all that are watching this are new. Maybe you never heard of me, maybe you never see me. If you happen to be one of my students in my full mentorship program, I'm talking about the 10K program. I'm not talking about the basic, the 2500 program. But this is very easy. Literally go to your course material and then watch this training. Credit repair, world-class delivery, automate your credit repair business. Go ahead and watch that training. I literally, like I said, I gave y'all the SOPs that we use, how we do it. You can just plug it into your business, have your VAs literally do the same thing that my team does, and then you'll get results like these, right? So, like I said, this was a $2,500 contract, so we get the $2,500. We position them for the funding. Now we go ahead and get them anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 in funding. 10% of that, you do the math, that's 5 to 10K. This client is a 5-figure client over time. So this is basically the pipeline and business model of how I teach my students in my mentorship program. So yeah. And then if you're one of my students, like literally go to the Google Drive, grab the exact letters that we use when it comes to debt validation and collections and all that, right? So yeah, that's pretty much what it is. If you are a consumer, like I said, a consumer, small business owner, you're looking for help with fixing your credit, keep in mind, we are not cheap. We are not cheap. If you don't have at least $1,000 to invest in yourself with a service that's going to change your situation, run away from us. Run away from my business. Unsubscribe, do all that. We don't do business with cheap people. We don't do business with poor people. We don't do business with none of them people. So if you're someone that identifies as cheap, you're someone that has all these 4, 5, 6, 7 different kids, 8 different baby daddies. If you got all these different situations where you're just like, oh, dang, I got all these kids, I got all these baby moms, I don't have money, I'm living paycheck to paycheck, run far away from me, run far away from my channel, run far away from us. We're doing business with people that have money. I like doing business with people that are like me. I've seen a comment where someone is like, oh, not everyone can be like you. Not everyone just has a $10,000 to invest in themselves. You don't have $10,000 to invest in yourself. I have $10,000 and more to invest in myself. My students have $10,000 and more to invest in themselves. So yeah, if you want to get tapped into our service as far as, fixing your credit, there's that. If you're a credit repair business owner, you're just looking for more predictable deletions. You're looking for scaling your business, we'll have the link in the description for that as well. So with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I hope this video was helpful for you, whether you're cheap or if you're someone that invests in himself. With that being said, cheap or someone that invests in himself, no matter who you are, I hope you have a blessed one.